Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and if you click the bell icon, that'll alert you anytime I post new videos. I am hoping to be getting a little more consistent with that. I'd like to get something up every week, if not at the very most every 2 weeks. If you have any comments or ideas or things that you would have done differently on this project, please let me know. I am going to be changing a couple things. The main thing I will be changing is the way I mounted it. That single hook in the center made it a little bit wobbly. So you really got to try to balance it when you want to hang anything, and I don't like that. It feels unstable and it's just kind of tacky. So I'm going to be changing that. I've got a few ideas. I don't know if I will make a video for that, but I will post it on my Instagram. If you want to follow me there and check my stuff out on there, I'll leave a link for that in the description. Also, I'll leave a description for some of the tools and different stuff that I use. If you click through one of those links and purchase something, I do get a small kickback from that, and anything that you purchase through those is greatly appreciated. It does help me to grow my channel, and I appreciate that greatly. If you have any questions or comments or anything that you would like to see, or just content that you would like me to produce, please let me know either in the comments below or on my Instagram. Some point pretty soon I'm hoping to have my website done so I can get that published, and I'll be able to be contacted there also. When that happens, I will post something on my Instagram, and I'll probably put something up here just letting people know that that's going to be available. I got some different ideas of stuff that I'd like to incorporate on my website with the channel. Just a lot of stuff in my mind, ideas and stuff. So please keep an eye on what's going on here. Until next time, I'm going inside. It's freezing. It's like 10 degrees out.